What's up everybody? Today we are going to see how we can keep our kitchen clean and safe, free from all those bacteria, all those bad bacteria that affects our health, and also how we can keep our kitchen as clean as possible so that our food remains for a longer time. So let's see the top 10 ways how we can keep our kitchen clean and safe. Number 10. Have a trash bowl for the compost or food waste. Now this will save time as you can clean faster at the same time. Why? Because you don't throw the scraps in the kitchen, you don't throw the scraps in the counter, in the garbage bag, and where you have to clean those later. You don't have to wipe up the food juice from the cutting board or on the floor, or the vegetable peel remains or scrap which falls on the floor or on the cutting board. Number 9. Prepare a chart with days or times of the month or week for cleaning different sections of the kitchen. We tend to forget a lot of small things which piles up at the end of a couple of months, like the stove burners, the refrigerator, the kitchen corner shelves. If you have a set time for everything, you will not forget, and also it will slowly become a part of your daily routine or your monthly routine, like unloading the utensils from dishwasher. Number 8. Clean up your sponges or scrubbers. It is a very important step which we don't take too seriously. It seems 75% of our kitchen sponges are too old or not cleaned properly over time and consist of 90% of the most dangerous bacteria in the kitchen. So make it a habit to wash your sponges thoroughly. Also, when you buy sponges, buy a set of sponges and make it a habit to replace sponges every other month or if possible every month. Number 7. Use 2 cutting boards. Cross-contamination is the topmost unhygienic thing that happens to a kitchen. Always make it a habit strictly to have 2 chopper boards and 2 knives, one for the vegetarian products and one for the meat and fish. Also, when you cut fish or meat, try to keep in a small bowl a certain amount of salt and pepper beside your cutting board. This will dehydrate and kill the harmful bacteria. This is a very beneficial habit. Number 6. Do not overload your fridge. A lot of you will be uneasy with this point, but this is a very important point. Let me explain you scientifically. If you overload the refrigerator, you are hindering the cold air circulation, which slows the growth of bacteria and keep the food items and vegetables fresh. Once it is stale with the overload of the fridge, you have to throw, dump and clean your refrigerator once again. Number 5. Clean your hands and sink. Study shows our kitchen sink contains more bacteria than our garbage bag. So whenever possible, lather up your kitchen sink with hot water and soap while you cook. Once you are done with cooking, clean up the sink and clean your hands for at least 20 seconds. This habit will kill 90% of your kitchen bacteria if you include cleaning the sponges as well as the one that I told you right now. Number 4. Always reheat and defrost properly. A lot of people doesn't know this, but any leftover food should be reheated to 165 degree Fahrenheit in order to kill all harmful bacteria. Similarly, frozen items should be defrosted in a microwave or refrigerator. If you are defrosting in refrigerator, make sure to place it in the bottommost shelf so that the juices don't drip to the food below. If you are defrosting in a microwave, make it a habit to cook it immediately. Number 3. Oil your cutting board at least once a month. You have to just invest 5 minutes a month to maintain your cutting board if it's wooden. If it's a plastic, try to replace it every 3 months. If it's a wooden, oil it at least once a month. You can also do it for wooden sponges or any other wooden item in your kitchen that you use regularly. If you have an iron pan or any iron utensil, I have also made a separate video on how to season your iron pan. Link will be there in the description below. Number 2. Maintenance of cookware and knives once every other month. But I put it in the dishwasher, right? Yes, but does it look the same as when you bought the item? No, because there are stains, burnt marks, rust, spots. Do you leave the same on your car? No. Invest one Sunday morning every 60 days to remove these marks, as these will gradually increase if you overlook them. Now before we move to number 1, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Number 1. Clean while we wait. We make a lot of dishes where we have around 20 minutes to wait. If you have time issues, utilize that time to clean at least 3 things always: your sink, your cutting board, the place beneath your cutting board and your hand. This is the most effective habit in keeping the kitchen clean. Also, if possible, try to clean as you leave the kitchen or you start the kitchen activities for the day, as it will reduce bacterial overgrowth and hard stains, which will take more time for you later to remove. Remember 3 things always: kitchen sink, cutting board and hand. If you guys want us to do more videos like this, then please write to us in the comments below.